She's more worried about the dog.
Here we go. Go ahead.
Okay, yeah. Zen Windows is great. I mean, we looked through the internet and came up with how they were locally owned, and they were the only one in the St. Louis. So we went ahead. It was a very easy process. We told them what we had. They came by, measured. They came back, put it in. Looks great. Eddie and Jim did an awesome job. They were here, tore it out, put it in. Looks beautiful. Windows open and closed, great.
Clean up?
Very, very proud of. Yeah, cleaning up was awesome. Everything looked great, like they weren't even here. That is very important.
Yeah.
Very good job. Thank you.
Thank you.